Your complete guide to creating stunning educational designs using the NanoBanana Pro model. Unleash your creativity in education. Welcome, creative educator. If you're looking for an innovative way to make your lessons more engaging and interactive, you've come to the right place. This guide is specially designed to walk you through the process of creating visual educational media in a way that is easy, enjoyable, and completely free. Together, we'll explore NanoBanana Pro, a revolutionary tool designed to transform educational text and complex concepts into professional, eye-catching visuals, such as infographics, illustrated summaries, and mind maps. In this guide, you will learn step by step and in full detail how to use this powerful model to produce high-quality educational materials that inspire your students and enhance their understanding, all without needing any prior design experience. Let's begin our creative journey together. 1. First step: accessing and activating the model. To start, you can access and use the NanoBanana Pro model for free through several platforms. In this tutorial, we will use Lovert.ai because it is simple and effective, but you may also use Trickle.so, Google Gemini. To ensure the best results, you must activate the Pro version of the model first. Activating NanoBanana Pro on Lovert.ai. 1. When the website opens, click on the Models option. 2. Make sure there is a check mark next to NanoBanana Pro, not the regular version. This is the key to producing professional quality designs. Activating the model on Trickle.so. 1. In the main menu, choose Generate Image. 2. In the window that appears, select NanoBanana Pro from the available model list. Activating the model on Google Gemini. 1. From the model options, first choose Thinking with 3 Pro. 2. Then go to the Tools section and select Create Images to enable visual generation. Once the model is activated on your preferred platform, you're ready to start turning your ideas into stunning educational visuals. 2. Creating a standalone educational image. This path is the perfect starting point for beginners. It's ideal for creating visuals that explain one concept or a small section of the lesson, such as a scientific term or a comparison between two elements. To begin, simply type a clear command describing what you want. For example, draw an image explaining the animal cell and the plant cell. But the secret to moving from a good design to a truly impressive one is not just writing the first command. It's about embracing a mindset of experimentation and creative play. If the first result isn't perfect, great! That's when the fun begins. Treat every adjustment not as a fix, but as a new creative opportunity. Golden tips to improve your designs. 1. Add styles. You can completely change the visual look by adding simple keywords that describe the style. For example, adding cartoon style will turn the design into a kids-friendly cartoon. There are over 25 different styles you can experiment with, such as pencil sketch or watercolor. 2. Fixing mistakes. If the model misspells some words in the design, don't worry. Just write, "The image contains incorrect words. Review them and regenerate the image." The model will produce a more accurate version. 3. Describe creative details. Don't hesitate to unleash your imagination. The more detailed your description, the better the result. Try commands like, "Make the drawings on a whiteboard." Create it as a mind map. Draw it using pencil only. Remember, the true secret lies in your text. The more creative you are, Ask for specific backgrounds, colors, or styles like chalk drawing on a blackboard, the more unique and stunning your results will be. Once you master this path, you're ready to move to the advanced method of creating full visual summaries of your lessons. 3. Converting PDF summaries into a connected image series. This is the professional path that allows you to convert an entire study unit or textbook chapter into a sequence of integrated visual designs. This method saves enormous time and effort, producing a complete visual summary ideal for reviews or as an alternative to traditional teaching methods. The process involves two main stages: summarizing the content using ChatGPT. Before asking NanoBanana Pro to create designs, you need an organized text summary. The easiest way is to use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, a version that allows file uploads, then upload the PDF file of your textbook. Write a simple command like, "Summarize this book as separate complete units." ChatGPT will provide a clean, structured summary for each unit, generating the image series from the summary. Now that you have your text summary, it's time to turn it into a series of stunning visual designs. Copy the entire summary of the first unit from ChatGPT's output. Paste it into the command box on lovert.ai, then click Send. Important tip: don't forget to include the unit title, example, Unit 2. This helps the model highlight the title visually. When the model finishes generating the first unit's design, repeat the process with the remaining units until you have a complete visual series. Think about it. How long would it take to manually design professional infographics for each unit? This method compresses hours of work into just minutes. For edits and enhancements, if you don't like the initial result, you can request adjustments. For example, after generating a design, write, "Convert it into a mind map layout." The model will reshape the same information into a new visual format. This way, you can build a full visual library for your subject. The next step is assembling everything into a ready-to-teach presentation. Final step: building your lesson into a presentation. After generating all your professional visuals, assembling them into an interactive lesson takes only minutes. You can use PowerPoint or Google Slides to display your images in sequence. Two easy ways to save and insert the images. 1. Exporting as a file. Right-click the generated image, select Export, then JPEG. Save the image to your computer. 2. Copy and paste, fastest. Right-click the image, select Copy Image, open a blank slide in PowerPoint. Remember to delete default text boxes for a clean workspace. Paste the image directly. Create a new slide for each design, one for Unit 1, one for Unit 2, and so on. In minutes, you'll have a clean, visually appealing presentation ready to amaze your students. Note: if you plan to use the model heavily and produce hundreds of designs regularly, a paid plan might save you time and effort. You are now a creative educational designer. Congratulations! You've completed your learning journey with this guide and gained the skills needed to produce professional visual educational content.